Hi everyone, and welcome to Uncodemy, India's #1 IT training company. In today's video, I will guide you how to download Python on Windows operating system. So first of all, we have to visit Google and we have to type in Python download for Windows, and we have to use the first link. Just click on the first link, and using this downloads button we can download and install the latest version of Python, which is Python 3.12.4. just click this button and it will ask you to save or store this setup file on your local machine. Just click on save, and the file would be downloading. Now we have to check for the downloaded file in our downloads folder. So just visit your downloads folder, say this one is, and here we can see our Python installer file or Python setup file. Just double click to start the installation process. Now we have to see the settings here. We can see there are two options: install now, and the second option is to customize installation. Before starting installation, what we have to do is we have to check the add python.exe to path, so that we don't need to set the path manually later on, and we can provide admin privileges also. Now we have to start our installation by clicking on install now button, and we have to say yes. Our installation has started, and it won't take a lot of time because this is a very little software, or say very small software. We have to wait till this bar gets completed, the green bar, and we can see we are getting a successful message that the setup was successful. Now we have to close this window. After installation, we have to verify whether our Python is installed in our machine or not. So we can do that. We have to search for, or we can do this using our CMD. Just type in CMD and you will get your command prompt or the CMD. We have to type here Python space hyphen version, and we have to hit enter. If Python will be installed successfully, then you can see Python and its version. So we have successfully installed Python's latest version, which is 3.12.4 on our local machine on Windows operating system. Thank you.
For free career counseling or demo sessions, call or WhatsApp on this number.